This is the part 2 of me trying to rescue this rusted tank. Here I am pouring 2 gallons of rust remover. Important, not rust comparer. I am using rust remover. This tank allows about 5 gallons, so with these 2 gallons of rust remover I can move it from side to side to cover the whole tank. The product works from 30 minutes to 1 hour, so I took 1 hour per side. I then let it sit at the bottom first and now at the top. From the front, I now place it at the bottom again, since it's the worst area. It's time to drain all the rust remover. If you view the part 1, this tank was actually a scam from eBay. It came with a type of silicone inside, hiding all the rust. I tried to remove the silicone and then add pt2 rust sealer, but it didn't work in the areas that still had some silicone, and that's why there is a part 2. I wanted to make sure the inside is clean, so I add acetone and shake it a little bit to reach all the corners. Be careful, acetone don't like to be shaken. And the result is far from expected, because the rust remover and the acetone conceal part of the silicone left. But definitely, this process could have been my first solution. Don't forget to like, comment and share.